What's up, guys? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. We're going to talk about Experian Boost today and Netflix. So, beginning today, July 27th, some people have told me they've already been using this, but this article was written by Alexandria White. I want to give credit to the writer because I'm an author, and I'm going to post a link below in the description. So Experian Boost now lets you add on-time Netflix payments to raise your credit score, which is amazing. That's just amazing to me that we are beginning to get into the times of utilities, different small things that you didn't think paying on time counted. Now it's starting to count, and these companies are realizing we're in another we're in another time, so we have to do things a different way. It's called innovation, and they're innovating the credit score. Plus, lenders are making it harder to buy houses. You know what I mean? And we in a COVID-19 year plus a depression, sort of say. So they have to look at ways to innovate the credit score because people are losing jobs, things like that. And they know that a lot of people, millions, have Netflix. You know what I mean? So starting July 27th, consumers can now include their Netflix on-time payment history on their Experian Boost accounts, which can help improve credit scores. Now, some people it doesn't work for you like it didn't for me. I guess because I didn't have a lot of utility bills in my name, they are under my business name. But you guys, let me know if it works for you. We know consumers are watching more television, and we also know that many consumers are also cutting cable and moving to streaming services. So it's the right time for us to look at including service like this. Jeff Softly is the D2C president at Experian Consumer Services. He told CNBC Select this, and I love reading articles on CNBC and Business Insider. I just love it. And I love sharing it with you guys as well. So, on an average, users see a 13-point increase in FICO score 8. Now, notice they have different FICO scores and FICO score models. So, pay attention to that, guys, next time you log into your Experian account. Let's see. It hasn't affected Equifax and TransUnion as of yet. Not yet, but it might come in the future. You never know. Let's see. New Experian Boost consumers can already start to link Netflix payments, while the option will roll out to the existing users over the next few weeks. There you go. Link that up, man. You already paying Netflix. Might as well add it to your credit and get that extra 13 point or whatever increase. Meanwhile, you're working on repairing your credit or building from another previous bankruptcy or anything like that. You might not have any credit, so there you go. Add that to it as well as kickoff.com, which I'm not affiliated with. Get you a secured credit card. I'll post a link to that below as well. My company has a secured credit card, no credit check. So look out for that. Let's see. Additional financial tools from Experian. They have like credit monitoring, which we have as well, and I'll post that link below. It monitors your credit, your account balance, your 24/7. You have $1 million insurance on identity theft. You have an online portal, things like that. So it's amazing. Well, you guys, let me know what you think about this. I need you to build that credit. Build that credit. Add Netflix to your credit. Experian, let's get it built. Let's repair it. Whatever you have to do. I know a lot of people have bad credit. A lot of people have medium, mid to bad, or great credit. So it won't hurt. It won't hurt at all. You guys, thank you for being here. Plus, I got a special for you. My company needs credit refer agents. If you are interested in learning more about credit, helping others, you're coachable, please comment below. Share this information with your friends, family. If you just need credit repair service, $89 a month. Below is the link. See you guys next time on Financial Pro YouTube channel.